Filet mignon is the most luxurious steak experience you can have. Let's elevate it though and add an apple white wine cream sauce. I want to show you guys how to do it. This is the filet mignon. This is the luxury that I'm talking about. It's the most tender cut you can get, and we're gonna elevate it. So we're gonna take the filet, we're gonna pan sear it, and then we're gonna use the same pan to make a quick pan sauce. Sauteing some apples and some white wine, and then adding a little bit of heavy cream and some butter instantly takes it to the next level.
Start by seasoning your beautiful fillets with salt and pepper. I choose to use a coarse kosher sea salt for my salt because it really adds to the flavor of the beef and really brightens up that natural marbling. Add a little bit of oil to a hot pan and cook for about 2 to 3 minutes on one side. Season the opposite side of your steak. A great tip for checking if your beef is ready for flipping is to just gently tug on it with your tongs, and if it's stuck to the pan, it's not ready to flip. When it's ready to flip, it'll be easy to pull from the pan and sear the other side. Make sure to also sear all sides of the fillets. All this does is seal in that juice and it adds more flavor. Once you've finished searing all sides of your fillets, remove them from the pan and add them to a baking sheet with a rack, and we're gonna bake them in the oven to finish them off. To prep your apple, go ahead and take both ends off, peel it, and take the core out. Once you've taken the core out, you wanna aim for a medium or small dice on your apple. That way it ensures even cooking when we start to saute. Next, we wanna mince a shallot. And we're choosing to use a shallot over a yellow or white onion in this recipe because the flavor of a shallot is just that much more delicate, and that's what this recipe is. Once you have your shallot minced, get some butter melting in that same pan that we seared our steaks in so we can saute our shallot and apple together. It's really important that we pick up all of that awesome flavor that developed in the pan from searing those steaks. Toss your shallot and apples evenly in the butter, season with a little bit of salt, and let this cook for a couple of minutes. Deglaze with your white wine and let that simmer for a couple of minutes. Wow, this is going to fill your kitchen with so much warm and cozy feelings. Who knew that white wine and apples cooked down so well together? Look at how this sauce is already naturally thickening. This is going to turn out so great. Add your Dijon and blend until smooth and fully combined. Slowly add in your cream and your sauce will come together beautifully. Let it simmer for a couple of minutes just to thicken slightly, and turn off your heat and get ready for plate up. To ensure that your sauce is fully thickened how you'd like it, coat the back of your wooden spoon with the sauce and run your finger through it. If the line sticks, it's perfectly thick. This is a great time to go ahead and check the temperature of my steaks and get them resting.
So here we are. That was so quick and easy, and look how beautiful this is. The apples are cooked perfectly. I can smell that Dijon. Plate a little bit up for the base of our perfectly cooked fillets. Just like that. It looks perfect. Let's taste it. Perfect doneness. Get a good swipe of the sauce quickly. Adds really great acidity. The apples add a great texture. This is really gonna impress whoever you're gonna make this for. I really hope you guys enjoy this recipe. Please remember to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time in the test kitchen.